And we're back to learning Illustrator in a year, day 79. Let me show the measure tool. It's right where the eyedropper tool is. If you can't see it, press I. And I've also shown you under transform, you will find width and height. But for example, the diagonal here from bottom left to top right, can't really see anywhere. You can obviously calculate that, but it's easier to just use the measure tool, then left click drag to connect these two anchor points, and then you can see it on the left hand side under info. Here's also width and height, so W and H, X and Y is the position, and then the D, this is now the length of the line that we've drawn here. There's also an angle, so let me do that again. It's not a perfect rectangle, therefore it's not 45 degrees, it's 47.9. The navigator is just to move around on the canvas. Can be a helpful tool here and there, especially when you want to quickly know what size a certain object or a certain segment has. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.